welcome back to The Mind of Thomas. For today I'm doing another vlog venture. I'm just sitting here in my room. There's a crazy rainstorm going on here where I'm living. You might be able to hear it in the background. Yeah. Doesn't look like I'm going to be playing outside much for today. Another thing, I've got a new Star Wars poster up in my room, which I will show you guys in just a sec. Guys, here's the new Star Wars poster up in my room. As you can see, it's the original one from A New Hope, which came out in 1977. Too bad I wasn't alive to see it in theaters. Oh well. Yeah, it's the first step into retheming my room to be like Star Wars, so yeah. Please subscribe if you want to see more VlogVentures.